In this video, I'm sharing a delicious pineapple cake filling that you can make from scratch in a few easy steps. Hi, it's Lorelei. Welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time, welcome to Wedding Cakes For You Cake Tutorials. And if you want to build your skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and memories, subscribe and ring the bell. This recipe was shared with me by my Brazilian friend Santusa, and it starts like this. In a large pot, mix together 1 cup of flour, 1½ cups of sugar, and 3/8 teaspoon of salt. In another bowl, mix together 3 eggs, 2 cups of crushed pineapple, 1 cup of pineapple juice, and 3 tablespoons of key lime juice. Mix that together, then pour it into the pot with the dry ingredients. Mix all the ingredients together and then set over a flame that's set to medium. Stir while cooking for about 15 minutes or until it thickens. Pour the mixture into a container, cover that with plastic wrap, and make a few holes in the top so a little bit of the steam can escape, and then refrigerate overnight. This video is part of a wedding cake series. If you want to see part 2, click on the end card. If you find my videos helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends, and also leave me a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.